DunnZWorld. I'm done. If you're new here, I'm gonna give you a kiss, give you a hug, and tell you welcome. You'll love it here. And if you're returning, welcome back, fam. I am back with another video, y'all. I've been dropping these videos back to back to back to back to back. Y'all probably can't even keep up. Y'all probably like, damn, bitch, is you breathing? Is you breathing? Blink twice if you need help. But anywho, I am going to give y'all another review on the VALABASAS sneakers, y'all. The last video that I reviewed, those sneakers were way too big. I mean, way too big, baby, okay? So let me just hip y'all to something real quick when ordering VALABASAS sneakers, okay? Because they, listen, I don't know about y'all, but they fire to me. They fire as a fuck, okay? So they advertise them as in US size. But when I finally got the shoe that I ordered a 9 in, I realized it's actually European sizes, right? I was just kind of taken back because I'm like, damn, a 9 is a 43? Last time I checked, a 9 was like a 42, 42.5, maybe something like that. You know, my numbers could be off, but it just threw me for a loop. But needless to say, the shoe was too goddamn big. Now, I ordered that shoe, I want to say on a Monday, got it on a Wednesday. I ordered the other shoe, which is what I got right now. I ordered these shoes on a Wednesday and got them on a Saturday. Y'all see how fast they be shipping? Like, it just really blows my mind. I've never had a brand ship out that fast, and they're really good too, communicative. Like, they work with me all the way through with my whole return process and make sure I got my money back. Like, bro, like, it did not take long. But we gonna get off into these shoes. I'm not gonna ramble y'all to death. You already know what to do. Go ahead and hit that notification bell, that way you stay in the loop whenever I post a video. Go ahead and like, comment, and share this video. And without further ado, let's get into it. All right, so we got this big ass black box again, y'all. Seem like the box get bigger and bigger. But let me rip this tag off real quick. You dig what I'm saying? I did not do that. But just a little bit about these sneakers, y'all. So I did a review on them, and when I realized, because VALABASAS has been selling clothes for some time now, but they started selling sneakers. And so the sneakers, every time I went and looked, they were always sold out, like, or they didn't have my size. So I'm just like, well, I guess I'm never gonna be able to get these sneakers, right? And so randomly, I just so happened to see a VALABASAS ad, and I clicked on it, and the shoes were available, and they were in my size. I was like, today's my day. Today is the day. So you know what I did. Went on ahead, hurried up, threw what I needed in the cart, and hurried up and paid for it, and got the hell out of Dodge. Cause you know, with a lot of different brands, it don't matter if you have it in your cart. If somebody else beat you to it, that bad boy will be gone by the time you try to put your payment information, okay? So I hurried up and got up out of Dodge. I looked everywhere on that site for sizing, in which they did not have a full breakdown, at least from what I saw, sizing as far as the shoes goes, because otherwise I would have ordered an 8 from the jump. Now, I seen different comments of people talking about the shoe running kind of big, but me being the person that I am, I'm like, I've always been pretty safe with ordering a 9. This shoe runs big. They are not true to size. So I am not the type of person who can wear a shoe that is too tight, and I'm also not the type of person who can wear a shoe that's too goddamn loose. So I had to send them back. So that's what we did, sent them back, and literally, like, these got here this past Saturday. Today is Thursday. So yeah, y'all, like, VALABASAS is about their money, okay? They are not playing. So same introduction, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's the best science project I've ever fucking seen, that I've ever laid eyes on, okay? Like, the presentation gets a 10 out of 10 every time. So the box, hopefully y'all can see that, because honestly, I'm not gonna keep this big black box. I feel like this gotta go in the trash. All right, this is what we here for. This is what we care about the most. Like, it just gets better. It just gets better. I mean, I've never been so thrilled to open up a shoebox. Like, what? Man, tap my name on it so you know it's real. Jesus. Oh my gosh, I don't even want to damage the paper. I don't even want to take the paper to get wrinkled up. Like, what? But yeah, hands down, presentation, detail, everything, VALABASAS got it down pat. Like, Even sneakers that you normally would spend $200-300 on don't even have a presentation like this with a message. Speaks volume. But all right, so these are the shoes again, y'all. Okay, but these are an 8. There are some smudges right here, but I'm gonna just charge that to the game as just production smudges. You know what I'm saying? I checked the bottom. It does not look like these shoes were born. The fuck? It doesn't look like these shoes were worn, but I'm gonna try them on for y'all because yeah, we had to send them 9s back. But let's get into how they fit right now. All right, let's go ahead and take these out so we can try them on. Man, what? Like 10 times better, like completely better, y'all. Completely. Like they comfortable. My foot still got room in the shoe. Like, yeah. These are definitely a must cop. So these are way too hard for me to not cop. Like I had to cop these. And I think what sold me was the pin. I think that is so unique, the pin on the shoelaces. I think that is what completely sold me. But this is the 8, which is a 42, y'all. I definitely will say that you should go a size down when ordering these sneakers. With that being said, we're gonna get back into the rest of the video, so y'all sit tight. All right, y'all, so that's gonna wrap this video up. I just wanted to pop back in here and give y'all an update on these VALABASAS sneakers, like I told y'all I would do. So just some key points to take away from this video about these sneakers. They ship fast as fuck. You literally gonna push submit for its payment, and literally next day or even that same day, you're gonna see that it's just been shipped. And then literally 2, max 3 days later, you're gonna see that they already outside your house or in your mailbox, all right? So they ship really fast. These sneakers do not run true to size, so go ahead and take it a size down. Go ahead and take it a size down because you don't wanna be disappointed like I was, all right? Take it a size down, and what else? And they fly. I mean, these are a very affordable pair of sneakers. They were about 150 bucks or 80 bucks. I think $180. So altogether, I think it came to like 194. It was either 150 or 180, and the total was like 194. Okay, so affordable sneaker. All right, nothing too crazy, but they come in so many different colorways. They come in red, green, denim, blue, white, more so like a cream color, black and white, or black and cream. So you have options, all right? But with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up because like I said, y'all, we came here to do what needed to be done, okay? So you already know what to do. Go ahead and hit that notification bell. That way you stay in the loop whenever I post a video. Go ahead and like, comment, and share this video. And as always, fam, peace.
Ay, one time like, 2 time like, ay, me pop up. I'm just dipping, we ain't even tripping. You could thank me later. Sauce and dripping, hoe, I'm finger licking, serving different flavors. See me flicking while I'm chasing chicken, flying on some acres. Ay. Old school weed, sending nothing but some G's. Any full pack of top papers, about to put some P's in it. Twerk it for me, baby, and make sure you put your knees in it. I got leg room, I could probably fit your knees in it. What y'all know about that country shit from by the river's edge? Thought I told you colder than a winter out in Winnipeg. Popping like you better be when you the proper pedigree. Blowing sweet and sour while I'm chewing on that sesame. Know that God blessing me so they can't get the best of me. Sometimes he be testing me so I perfect my recipe. Cocoa butter cutter, got it cracking at the crib. We some ghetto boys now, nigga lacking where I live. I might ride around my side of town, I'm flexing, feeling fancy. Just filled up my stomach, I got extra in the pantry. Getting top and winning, still no, I don't need no plan B. Only give a fuck about my freedom and my family. Keep it playing, keep it pushing, keep them guessing, keep them looking. Keep my people out the booking, cause we legendary. I just